How to backup WhatsApp images to Google Photos. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I will show you how you can backup WhatsApp images to Google Photos. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So first of all, you have to open up Google Photos application. So open up Google Photos and make sure that you're signed into your Google account. Tap on your profile picture at the top right corner, scroll down a bit and head towards the Photos settings. At the top, there is a backup option. Tap on it and then toggle it on. Now again, you have to select your account where you want to backup your WhatsApp images on. Once you do that, once you have ensured that the backup is turned on, scroll down a bit and there is an option as backup device folders. Tap on it and here find the WhatsApp images and turn on the toggle for WhatsApp images. After you turn on this toggle for WhatsApp images, once you return to the Photos main page, you will find all of the WhatsApp images uploading shortly, and make sure that you're connected to a strong Wi-Fi unless you have enabled backup over mobile data. So that's the way to backup your WhatsApp images to Google Photos, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.